This is ChainMind, the decentralized AI network built for everyone. Just search ChainMind on Google, sign up, download the app, and you're in. That's it. You've joined the network. Run it on any device, phone, laptop, or server. Why ChainMind? Fully decentralized, fully yours.
The Saber ChatGPT showdown just proved that AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a battlefield for creative control. First, the drama exposed how studios are already leaning on LLMs for quest outlines, dialogue drafts, and rapid localization, shaving weeks off production cycles. Second, the line between AI as a helper and AI as a replacement is razor thin, and when writers feel sidelined, credibility and legal risk skyrocket. Third, decentralized inference networks like ChainMind can flip the script, offering transparent, auditable AI pipelines that keep human voices front and center while still delivering speed. Want the future of fair, open AI-powered storytelling? Follow ChainMind.